Hi friends, welcome to Worksheet Time, where we get to do fun worksheets together. I'm Miss Happy. Today we are doing a Mother's Day worksheet. And you can do this worksheet with me. If you scan this QR code or click the link below, you'll be brought to my website where you can print this worksheet for free. In this worksheet, we are going to be practicing counting to 5. Once you have the worksheet printed out, all you will need is something to write with. The first thing we'll do is write our name in the name spot. My name is Miss Happy. What is your name? It's great to see you today. You can write your name in the name spot. Now it's your turn. You can write your name. And if you need more time, you can pause the video here. Now let's get back to the worksheet. Now first, we are going to be looking at this box. And this box has Mother's Day cards in it. So let's count the cards. 1, 2. There are 2 cards in this box. Now, can you find the number 2 and circle it? Now it's your turn. You can circle the number 2. If you need more time, you can pause the video here. Did you find the number 2 and circle this number? Yes, this is the number 2. Great job! Now let's look at this box. This box has a Mother's Day gift. Let's count the number of gifts. 1. There is 1 gift. Can you find the number 1? Did you say this is the number 1? Yes, this is the number 1. Now it's your turn. You can circle the number 1 on your worksheet. If you need more time, you can pause the video here. Now let's get back to the worksheet. Now let's look at this box that has the roses. Let's count how many roses are in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 roses in this box. So let's look here for a number 5. You say 5 when my pointer reaches a number 5. Did you say 5? Yes, here's a 5. Now it's your turn. You can circle the number 5 on your worksheet. If you need more time to circle, you can pause the video here. The last box we'll look at has hearts with crowns on them, and the hearts say Mom. Let's count how many hearts there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hearts are there? Yes, there are 4 hearts. Can you tell me which number here is the number 4? Here's the number 4. Let's circle this 4. Now it's your turn. You can circle the number 4 on your worksheet. And you can pause the video here if you need more time. Great work with today's worksheet. I hope you have a great Mother's Day and you do something extra special. And remember, you can come back to any of my other videos for more learning and worksheet fun. I look forward to seeing you next time. Happy learning! Bye!